So what we're going to talk about. So if you're a marketer and you use HubSpot, you may notice that there is no HubSpot sales extension for iOS or Android that works natively to sync your HubSpot emails, calendar events, and other things, contact records, etc., with your email. If you, let's say, use Gmail for your work email or some other normal email solution, you can't just open up the Gmail app, for example, or the Apple Mail app, or the whatever app you might use on your Android device to send emails back and forth to your HubSpot contacts and have them automatically be synced. So what are the solutions? Well, in order to sync your email with your HubSpot, what you need to do, typically, if you're working on a desktop, the solution is quite easy. You install the HubSpot sales extension plugin, if you will, into your Chrome browser. It also works in Brave. And you can then automatically, once you're logged into your HubSpot, which you can do through that extension or by logging into HubSpot itself in a separate browser tab, then you're and reloading your Gmail browser tab, and you'll see you're logged in. You will automatically be syncing any email you sent via, let's say, Gmail to, or your Google Mail, or whatever you use, to HubSpot. So any emails you send back and forth between HubSpot contacts and any new emails you get can be added efficiently, very quickly, with a click into HubSpot and start tracking the emails back and forth. It'll also track things like calendar events, and you can edit the contact records directly through the extension in your browser inside of your Gmail or your Google Mail. And the other solution is you use the same thing, the browser, on your mobile device, your iPhone or your Android. Of course, that may be a bit clunky. Some people don't necessarily like to use Gmail or Google Mail on a browser on their mobile phone. Obviously, it's not always a very convenient solution for a lot of people. They prefer using the Gmail app to send Google Mail or Gmails or whatever, company mails that use Google as a service. So the next solution is to actually use the HubSpot app on your phone, which lets you send and receive emails directly to the HubSpot app to your HubSpot contacts. That will at least sync messages in your HubSpot. What it won't do is automatically sync it to your Google Mail. Still, you can do other things. You can, for example, if you use Apple Mail on your iPhone or something, you can request read receipts. You may also be able to do that on your Android phone. You should be able to do that. So you can still contact your HubSpot contacts through those systems, and it will at least give you the read receipt. Then there are other software, third-party apps, Yesware, Boomerang, and Streak, that are integrated with HubSpot and Gmail, so you can use those to connect and synchronize actions that you do in HubSpot regarding your HubSpot contacts, or in Google regarding your HubSpot contacts. Google Mail, Gmail, your company mail used through Google, whatever. Those are some of the solutions. It's not perfect, obviously, in the sense of there should just be an extension for the Gmail app on your iPhone or your Android that lets you use your regular Gmail or Google Mail solution in order to track HubSpot contact emails, or at the very least, the HubSpot app itself should have a way of syncing with your Gmail directly via. Why this hasn't been done yet in 2024, it's a mystery, right? It's not like HubSpot is a new app. It's not like nobody uses email on their phones. Right? This is quite a normal thing in 2024, and it's about time they solve that. But of course, there are at the very least these solutions that I went over. So those can be used. Any one of them can be used. Any combination of them can be used, really. And I hope that this is insightful for you. That is the purpose of a lot of the videos that I produce here. Little vlogs, whatever you want to call them. So there you go. There you have it. HubSpot CRM, syncing Google or Gmail with your HubSpot contacts. How to do it on Android or iPhone. If you have any questions, you know where to ask. Comments, DMs, whatever. And that's that. Cheers. Happy marketing.